Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can skip through parts of our videos or also subscribe to the YouTube channel. So anytime we put sessions from a district workshop on there, that you get that notification and you can access it quickly. So if you have not already looked at the email that had the links to the virtual workshop sessions, it's also in that Google Doc that was shared out already over email, and it's also posted on It's Learning and BCSE Connect. So the helpful thing to do is to go to YouTube and subscribe to my channel, which is where I post a lot of different resources. I promise I won't send you notifications anytime I upload a video because I upload a lot, but I will always make the workshop sessions that I do in any It's Learning PD public so that you do see that it's been posted. So the thing to do is I'm actually going to go over here and subscribe on a different account so you can see what that looks like. But you'll go to YouTube and you can search my name and you can subscribe right here. And that way you'll see notifications and you'll find out whenever a video has been posted. But otherwise, it will show you the latest videos that I've made right here. So if I wanted to open up this one
And we'll get going.
which was over Screencastify, it has the video here, but the ticket is this is a long video, and we know that sometimes you want to use these videos to reference them and just grab short little sections. Maybe you have a question about a specific feature, but you don't have to sit there through the whole entire 26 minutes, 3 seconds PD. And we wanted to make sure you had the option to quickly get to what you needed. So if you scroll a little bit further down the page, here is the subscription and the information and description for this specific video. And if you click show more, here you are. All of these little sections here mark at what point in the video, what time point that we discuss the specific topic. So if you scan through this and you know, I really want to learn how to use the advanced editing features of Screencastify. Like I want to learn how to add text and how to zoom in on my videos and how to delete a section of my Screencastify because I messed up right in the middle of it and I didn't start a new recording. Then what you can do is, if you notice they're blue because they're linked, if I click 1537,
So those are
it takes
essentially
me to that part in the video. So I don't have to sit through, I don't have to sit here and try and land on the exact spot myself. It is already set up there for me. So that's an option to do that really quickly. And you can jump back. I wanted to go back here to the
kind of uses that
and
we've
it takes
seen
you to that point in the video. And the other one that's also a part of this PD session, which was really focused on bridge tips for teachers, also shows you, all right, this, show more. Thank you everyone for do that specific section of the video. That's what you wanted to do. So I hope this has been helpful and that you can learn something from these PD sessions. If you have any topics that you want to have us cover in upcoming workshops, please let us know. We love to have your feedback. Thank you and have a great rest of your day.